What is up? Welcome to this video. Welcome to another episode right here on this channel. In this video, we are going to look at the print versus return in Python. What are actually the core differences of these? Understanding the fundamental distinction between the print and return is essential for effective Python programming. And while they may seem similar to beginners, they serve completely different purposes in your code's execution flow. So, how do they actually behave and how different are they? So here's a code block where we are using print and then we are also using return. So do well, take your time, run this code out in VS Code, see how they actually work in themselves. So print is for human readability, which displays text to the console but doesn't affect program flow. Functions using only print, return none by default. And then we also have return provides values for further computation, and it sends values back to the calling code for additional processing, storage, or maybe for manipulation. So that's the difference between the two. And yeah, so try it out and pause this video, try it out in VS Code, and so you can understand how it's actually working.